Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to check the warranty of HP ProBook 635. So first, open the browser and type in HP warranty check and enter this site. I have already opened it in here and I put the information, but to find your serial number and product number, I showed how to check the serial number in previous videos, so you can check that on our channel. But click FN and escape to open the HP system information, and here you have the serial number. See more details. Here you have the product number. So put the information right here and click submit. Now scroll down and here you have the coverage type, service type and status. It's expired for me. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.